What is your name?
Caterina.
Caterina. This is your place, right?
Yes.
You and your husband?
Yes.
How long has been running?
5 years.
5 years? Okay.
Many years the shop, but this one where I make it is 5 years.
Oh.
Local things, very fresh, very nice.
Wow. Okay, repeat the name, please.
Sorry?
Krinos?
Krinos.
Krinos.
In Greece means simple and fresh.
Okay.
Simple things.
And the coffee and cappuccino master, what is your name?
We are having breakfast in a very, very beautiful place in front of a very old olive tree, and in the back also so many olive trees. We ordered some homemade pastry from the chef herself, or the pastry chef herself, who's the owner of the place, and we got some orange cake, baklava, and spanakopita, which is spinach pie, and some cappuccino. The orange cake, I already tried it. It's really, really insane. You can tell that it's homemade.
I was dying to try this baklava. It looks so good. This one really has an amazing texture because the top part is kind of more crunchy and then the rest is a bit softer. And you can tell that this is homemade. It really tastes so good.
The spanakopita is a savory pie. It's crunchy on top, and there's a very nice savory feeling of spinach and cheese inside, and it's kind of crunchy, just a little bit. This one tastes really, really homemade. Again, it's just came out of the oven, the owner said, and it has also some dill with spinach, which is amazing. I really associate dill with Greek food mostly, so I really, really love it. And it's the pastry is not very dense, so you really taste the feeling, and it really complements it very well. Very good choice. If you are in this area, definitely try this homemade bakery place. And interacting also with the owners is such a beautiful experience. So yeah.
Today we are at the Paleokastritsa monastery. We were in the mood to visit this famous landmark of the area, so let's go explore.
To get in, you have to cover up, as you can see, and also, close your shirt or something. Since we came from the beach, I'm a little bit with my beach out attire, but it's very beautiful. Most of the time when you look up this town, these are the things that you see, but it's inside the monastery. It's not out in the town. There are these arches when you just enter. They're very beautiful. They look like a little town, but still it's inside the monastery. I have one grievance against this place. Women have to cover their legs and their chest, but men can get in as they are. I don't like it when I still see this outdated notion in places. We should all be treated the same way. So the grounds are very beautiful. The garden is gorgeous. It smells good with so many flowers, and the views are absolutely marvelous. Like you can see the sea, the mountains in the distance, the greenery. It's really, really beautiful. We are at Spiros Taverna, which is a barbecue restaurant here in Paleokastritsa. You say it, because I cannot.
Paleokastritsa.
Okay. Andrea has been saying the name because I cannot pronounce it. But when we passed this morning, we saw it, and you can smell the beautiful aroma of meat roasting on open fire. And of course, you cannot help but want to stop here and sample the food.
Hello, I'm Kostis. Yes, I make this. This is barbecue chicken.
Okay.
This is chicken kontosouvli. pork kondosouvli, lamb, pork ribs.
So we got this big plate for two. There's like some lamb meat, there is a chicken souvlaki, there is some French fry, there's pita, there is a tzatziki, and also there's this amazing lemon and olive oil sauce on top of it, which is so appropriate to have at this moment. It's so refreshing. We also got some local wine that it's a little bit fruity. We've been drinking a lot of asitirica, which we like, and now we try another one. So we're enjoying this under a beautiful old olive tree. All over the restaurant you see these olive trees, and it's almost like the face of a person who has lived a long time. You know, it has all these wrinkles to show it, which I love. So it's a very beautiful place. In front of us there's a beautiful mountain, and underneath it's just olive trees after olive trees. Very beautiful, romantic place to be.
What can I say, guys? It looks like we're gonna go back home with this car. No, jokes aside, this place has been really good. We tried only their meats, we didn't get to try anything else. But then again, this place is called Spiros the BBQ Master, so you have to eat the meat if you come here. We really recommend it. It's on the way to Paleokastritsa beach. And yeah, if you're craving for a hearty meal, if you want to switch it up from fish and get some very good meat, we highly recommend Spiros.
After a beautiful day exploring Paleokastritsa, we headed back to our base in Kassiopi and did a bit of shopping before the stores closed, which seems to happen earlier here than in Corfu town or other summer destinations. In the stores you can find souvenirs, linen clothing, beautiful summer bags and everything in between. We had an early dinner that day and we went to Tavernaki, a spot that quickly became one of our favorite restaurants in Kassiopi, right on the harbour. We started with a crisp, refreshing white wine from Pontiglio, a renowned winery in the south of the island, paired with freshly baked bread and a classic Greek salad. For our main course, we had the bianco, a traditional Corfu dish of fish and potatoes in a delicate white sauce, along with a flavorful seafood pasta. To finish, we enjoyed an amazing portocalopita, all while watching the sunset over the harbour. If you are in Kassiopi, this is a must-try.